We know that the solar system has 8 planets and Earth is one of them. However, for a long time, as scientists observed and analyzed celestial bodies within the solar system, they noticed something strange seemed to be happening with objects beyond Neptune. Especially the group of objects beyond the Kuiper belt. They had unusual orbits, not following the laws of physics. Therefore, scientists proposed a hypothesis about the existence of a 9th planet in the solar system to explain the anomalous orbits of objects beyond Neptune. Since then, many scientists have been involved in the search for this mysterious planet, but so far, the results have remained theoretical. Recently, scientists have proposed a new method to search for the 9th planet of the solar system. This is considered a crucial key to help scientists find the hypothetical mysterious planet of the solar system. So what is this new method? Is it feasible? Let's explore together. About 177 years ago, on the night of September 23, 1846, marked the first day when humanity discovered the existence of Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun. Immediately after the discovery, there were speculations that another planet might exist beyond the orbit of Neptune, causing mysterious influences on the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. After careful calculations, scientists embarked on an extensive search. In 1906, they named this mysterious planet Planet X. By 1930, after numerous search efforts, scientists discovered Pluto. Initially classified as the 9th planet of the solar system, it was later determined to be too small to be considered a standard planet, and was thus reclassified as a dwarf planet. The quest for the 9th planet became even more intriguing. As time passed, technology continued to advance, enabling scientists to make more effective observations. Based on the unusual orbits of objects beyond Neptune and the peculiar orbit of objects like Sedna, or the clustering of orbits of Etno objects, scientists still believed in the existence of the 9th planet. However, despite all efforts, the search so far has yielded 0 results. They have yet to find any object that can explain the mysterious phenomena observed. The 9th planet still exists only in theory. Based on gravitational influences, scientists predict that if the 9th planet exists, its mass would be estimated to be 5 to 10 times that of Earth, and its radius would be 2 to 4 times greater. It would have an extremely distant orbit, ranging from 400 to 800 astronomical units AU, equivalent to a distance of 60 to 120 billion kilometers, which is 13 to 26 times the distance from Neptune to the Sun. With such a distance, the hypothetical 9th planet would have an extremely long orbit, taking from 10,000 to 20,000 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. Its orbital inclination is predicted to range from 15 to 25 degrees compared to Earth's orbital plane. It seems that all parameters have been meticulously calculated by scientists, yet it remains undiscovered. Therefore, some scientists also believe that the 9th planet may not be a planet at all. It could be a primordial black hole. Primordial black holes also exert gravitational influences similar to a large planet, but they are invisible to telescopes. This explains why scientists have not discovered it yet. However, as of now, most scientists still believe in the hypothesis of the 9th planet rather than it being a black hole. Typically, to search for objects within the solar system, scientists would have to detect their light signatures and calculate gravitational influences on surrounding objects. However, with the 9th planet, everything seems to be exceptionally challenging because the planet is too far from the Sun. Current telescopes cannot detect the light of the planet. But recently, another ray of hope has come to scientists when a study proposed that the key to finding the 9th planet might be its natural satellites, meaning moons orbiting around the ninth planet. Does this sound absurd? A planet of such size remains undiscovered, let alone its moons, which would be even more difficult to detect. In a recent study published in the Astronomical Journal, scientists calculated the gravitational influence of the ninth planet on potential ethno-objects beyond the orbit of Neptune, determining the regions the planet could traverse. The results showed that the ninth planet could potentially have many natural satellites. In the process of orbiting the Sun, it likely captured around 20 natural satellites, each with a diameter of at least approximately 100 kilometers. If true, this would provide a great opportunity for scientists to discover the ninth planet. They further explained that when the ninth planet has moons orbiting around it, they would create a peculiar gravitational effect known as tidal heating. This is when gravitational energy exerted by an object is dissipated as heat at two opposing faces. This phenomenon is similar to what happens with Jupiter's moon Io, the most volcanically active body in the solar system. NASA states that Io's intense volcanic activity is driven by tidal heating caused by gravitational interactions between Io and Jupiter, as well as other moons. Therefore, tidal heating could potentially warm any celestial body, including the natural satellites of the hypothetical ninth planet. Scientists calculated that at such a distant orbit, the tidal heating could warm the planet's moons to around -280 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to -173 degrees Celsius. Though termed warm, this temperature is indeed extremely cold. However, compared to the average temperature of space, which is approximately -271 degrees Celsius, it is relatively warm. Hence, if the moons of the ninth planet were warmed, they could emit weak radio signals detectable by Earth's supersensitive telescopes. Therefore, this could be considered a new avenue for searching for the ninth planet of the solar system. Despite being only theoretical, the ninth planet has attracted significant scientific effort. A scientific study in 2022 analyzed data from the Atacama Cosmology Telescope in Chile, collected from 2013 to 2019, covering approximately 87% of the southern sky. The telescope identified over 3,000 candidates within the region, ranging from 400 to 800 astronomical units. Among all these candidates, none satisfied the conditions of the ninth planet. Therefore, many believe that the ninth planet may not actually exist. If it did, we would have discovered it by now. What about you? Do you believe in the existence of a mysterious ninth planet beyond the Kuiper belt of the solar system? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below to discuss with others. Many scientists continue to believe in the presence of the ninth planet in the solar system because it provides the most suitable explanation for the gravitational disturbances observed beyond the Kuiper belt. Additionally, we know that Neptune was the first planet in the solar system to be discovered through theoretical calculations, based on the anomalous gravitational disturbances of Uranus. Prior to 1846, astronomer Alexis Bouvard inferred that there must be another planet beyond the orbit of Uranus causing gravitational disturbances of Uranus and other nearby celestial bodies. Later in 1846, scientists confirmed the existence of Neptune, whose position deviated only by 1 degree from the earlier prediction. This further strengthened the belief that the gravitational disturbances observed beyond Neptune were likely caused by the ninth planet. It is hoped that in the coming years, scientists will continue to produce new research works to help humanity answer the question of whether the ninth planet truly exists or not.